Hola, hola, buen, bienvenido, guys. Welcome to another video, guys. Thank you for always subscribing. Yes, let's get all my videos to 20K, right? Or 100, right? So, today I'm just gonna be taking a shower, changing my clothes, guys. I'm not doing any cooking videos, but you guys will see me eat my dinner in another video on the same day. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Let's see me. Somebody wanted say they wanted another bathing video that was more detailed on the type of soap that I use. So yeah, guys, let's go. Guys, I have beans. Yeah, bean the funny tree, guys. Bean. No, they've been ready, can you? Look at them ready though, guys. This is oregano, guys. Great tea bush, guys. Good tea bush, oregano flowers. I don't really remember exactly what my mother said good for, but oregano is a good tea bush. Have it planted here. Two of them. Yeah, guys. Very good. Other tea bush that I use, it's as you can see, guys, it's hibiscus flowers, but I only use the flowers. There's no flowers when it blooms. I pick it off, pick off the stem and boil it and drink it. It is very good. And for all who don't know, this is guava leaf. It's a good what me that say, like good detergent. Like it takes out stains and smells, and it's also good to drink as well, guys. The guava leaf, very good to drink. Um if you're constipated, because one time I was constipated and I eat my drink, and me I tell you, it give me a free flow, and I feel like I've never got constipated again after drinking the guava tea, the guava. One time in me I used to full of guava, but the tree get chopped down and stuff. I should not see me make guava jam, but we only have this little tree here, and it doesn't have much guava on it. So, and it even look like something I eat, as you guys can see. You see, like something I eat. I don't know exactly what, but yeah. I go show you one next tea bush, but me not really know a name. But me go show you say we use it to make tea as well, which is very good for for your whole body health and stuff, guys. It's good in the morning. You're taking something that is good for you. Just wake up your body with something healthy. So yeah. As me say, I don't really know way name. Some of my viewers them in the comment section to just tell me what is the name of this bush. I don't know the name, but we use it to make tea as well to them. I have woolly for it. So yeah, guys, just comment and tell me what's the name of it. And flowers are pretty, but oh my god, the boar with the pan them sharp. Around pretty sharp. I see some chocolate, but I've nothing to pick because you can't pick chocolate with stick, that stem strong. So I just how much of them? How much chocolate they for you? Oh, oh, yeah. But me can't. No, look like me can't reach it. And then the tree too, it fall sleep in a tree. She don't on the tree for a shit. Don't a gun. You know, I see it as a guy. So if me don't want if it to put it to dry, that's me can make chocolate with it. But it is the yellow one. It is too far. You can't use stick and pick chocolate, guys. You know, it's them. Although me never try it, because we always used to just can just pick it. But you know me, I work up here. Oh, Didi. Oh, watcha. Right. When me dey write this a while ago, me couldn't see chocolate. Good, good. Me couldn't see chocolate. Good. This, me sure.